Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Ease. Ease means absence of difficulty or effort. For example, she gave up smoking with ease. She gave up smoking with ease. Synonyms: effortlessness, no difficulty, no trouble.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. How has the final sound mixing gone in terms of difficulty or ease? Now, repeat after me. How has the final sound mixing gone in terms of difficulty or ease? The second exemplar. To many industry professionals, though, the exam's difficulty or ease isn't really the point. Now, repeat after me. To many industry professionals, though, the exam's difficulty or ease isn't really the point. The third exemplar. The orchestra responds beautifully, handling even the composer's sometimes difficult rhythmic effects with ease. Now, repeat after me. The orchestra responds beautifully, handling even the composer's sometimes difficult rhythmic effects with ease.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The dot on top of I and J is called tittle. I didn't even know there was a word for it.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.